Hello, Iqbal Khan. Welcome to Tei Tadka. What is your views on fans trending demanding the season 2?
Uh, well, I would first of all start with saying thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you, Almighty, for giving us such amazing fans
Hmm.
who love the show for what it is.
Hmm.
And I think for me, it has been creatively very satisfying.
Hmm.
I have done some 10, 11 television shows.
Hmm.
I've been around for some time. I've
Hmm.
been here for 15 years.
Hmm.
And this has been uh, the most fulfilling in terms of creative juices are
Okay.
concerned.
Huh.
It is amazing. It has been fantastic. I'm glad and I'm honored to be a part of a show
Hmm.
which something like this has never been attempted
Hmm.
on television before, and it has been loved
Hmm.
by everybody.
Yeah. And what do you think has worked in the show for so much ki it has really appreciated at least a particular fan base?
Well, completely different storyline which uh, has never been showed on television before.
Hmm.
The writing has been uh, what do you call it? The writing has been basically very deliberately been different
Hmm.
and real,
Hmm.
and the performances have been absolutely real.
Hmm.
There's been no melodrama. There's been no kitchen politics.
Hmm.
सास ने बहू को थप्पड़ नहीं मारा, बहू ने सास को थप्पड़ नहीं मारा,
Hmm.
किसी ने कुछ को कुछ मिक्स नहीं किया. Amazing. And plus, at the end of the day, the tadka
Hmm.
on the dal is that it's an Ekta Kapoor show.
Correct.
And there is magic in that itself.
Hmm. The fact is कि the show is coming to a premature end. So कितना disappointment है आपको?
Of course, disappointment तो है ही, क्योंकि जो आप सोच रहे थे 2 महीने बाद बंद होगा शो, खत्म होगा, वो पहले ही खत्म हो गया 2 महीने पहले. तो बीच में जो ट्रैक जो प्रोडक्शन हाउस ने सोचा था, जो राइटर्स ने सोचा था, वो नहीं आया. उसको थोड़ा शॉर्टकट मार दिया. तो बस वही है. अदरवाइज वी हैव स्टक टू आवर गन्स. इवन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फ्रेम टू द लास्ट फ्रेम ऑफ द एपिसोड ऑफ शो, it has been different no matter what the TRP has been. Story has never changed no matter what, and that is according to me the USP.
And do you think now there is a possibility कि बालाजी can take the show elsewhere? कुछ ऐसा कोई चांस है? फैंस को तो होप है कुछ मिरेकल हो जाए, सीजन 2 हो जाए. What are your personal views on that?
यार मुझे पता नहीं. I don't know if that is possible or not. Usually any content that's made for a television show, it is the property of the channel.
Correct.
Now I don't know whether there is a possibility of taking the show back, or I don't know whether Balaji has that kind of a contract with the channel that they can run season 2 or the same kind of similar kind of a thing on any other channel. I don't know what the contract between the production house and the channel is. I'm not aware of that.
And in terms of the entire crazy fan following you have got, does it take you back to your Kaise Yari your first show days in terms of the fan reaction? How do you see this fan reaction compared to your previous show fan reactions?
Yeah, God has been very kind to me. Yeah. I've always got positive feedback for all my shows. And it is wonderful. Alhamdulillah. God has been amazingly good to me. I have wonderful parents. They keep praying for me. And I try my level best to be a decent guy. I try my level best. Allah knows where I stand. But I try my level best. All these things put together, creates a little bit of a magic with the audience, I believe, which is not directly kind of linked with the audience, but somehow there is a little bit of magic in that case, and that's what happens. That's what happens. And where the adulation and the fans is concerned, I think I've been here for a long time, and people love you for your work. Okay, people love you, and people indirectly love you even deeper for the kind of person that you are. They might not know you, but they connect through magic. But it has been fantastic, and I know this is something that never always stays. You grow old, and fame will stay or not stay. Allah knows that better. But we just have to keep doing our work and keep. And I'm an entertainer. I'll keep entertaining. And I believe as long as you're honest with your craft, you'll always have a decent fan base. Always feel that. And no matter what the industry wala thinks, or no matter what your people who do your PR think, no matter what the people think who don't like you, no matter what all these people think, as long as you're honest to your craft, you will always have a decent fan base. Alhamdulillah.
And आगे चल के हम इकबाल से और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, frankly speaking, प्यार को हो जाने दो जैसे शोज कॉमनली तो बनते नहीं.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. तो मैं अनरियलिस्टिकली ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि भैया अब मुझे तो इसके आगे वाला ही करना है.
करेक्ट.
I'm a part of television and I will be a part of it. If I get something which is better than this, is amazing. If I get something which is creatively as good as this, that will be also an amazing blessing. But my expectations are not amazing because if the show has lasted, it's because of Ekta Kapoor. She's a powerful producer.
Correct.
So I give her a lot of credit for the survival of the show. And otherwise, अगर कोई छोटा producer होता तो पता नहीं ये चल पाता नहीं पता मुझे कुछ पता नहीं.
Correct.
But I don't want to keep an expectation this high from the content on television right now. So, but the idea is always to take up something and add yourself, whatever. That's what I always do. No matter what the story is, you have to do your best in it and make it as realistic as possible. And that's what I do. I stay away from melodrama. I stay away from overacting. I stay away from all these things. Luckily, I have learned in all these years what not to do. I may not know everything what to do, but I know what not to do. So I stick to that, and it kind of works.
पर एक बात है कि ऑन द होल अगर करंट टेलीविजन का कंटेंट देखा जाए, शोज जहां नागिन एंड डायन है, दे आर रियली रॉकिंग द टीआरपी चार्ट्स कंपेयर टू मोर सेंसिबल शोज लाइक योर्स व्हाट आर नॉट रजिस्टरिंग ऑन द टीआरपी. तो डू यू थिंक ये कुछ हद तक ऑडियंस की भी गलती है?
यार ऑडियंस की गलती नहीं है. टीआरपी हमेशा एक ही ब्रैकेट से नहीं ले जाती. There are different kind of pockets where TRP keeps shuffling.
Correct.
Okay. Now maybe for a year it's in pocket A and B, which is really regressive. You can't help it. Suddenly, after a few years, it's going to be pocket C and D, where people are like crazy about rural, urban shows. And you have urban shows doing well. So it all depends on where the TRP is coming from.
Correct.
Right now, where the TRP is coming from is definitely Churi Talaiya.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
And how has the reaction been to you from across the border?
Unbelievable. You know. Initially, I was thinking about. I don't know how will a Pakistani feel when they watch the show. But I mean, go to my fan page. It's called Muhammad Iqbal Khan on Facebook. It's the one with the blue tick. And see the reaction. if you find one negative reaction, please call me wherever you want me to and give me a slap in my face. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Because deep down, everybody knows the countries are full of people who love each other, but there's always a sect in both the countries which do not want peace. And that's got nothing to do with governments, and that's got nothing to do with those really, if I may use the word, fuck all kind of people. Yeah, that's what they are.
So, but means अगर दोनों मतलब आवाम जाग जाए तो ये टेररिज्म का भी सफाया हो सकता है.
अगर क्या सॉरी व्हाट?
मतलब अगर दोनों देशों की आवाम जाग जाए तो फिर ये टेररिज्म का जो अनफॉर्चुनेट दोनों मुल्कों को अभी तंग कर रहा है वो शायद उसका भी सोल्यूशन निकल सकता है.
यार आम आदमी बेचारा इतना अपनी जिंदगी में इतना मसरूफ होता है. हाँ. वो कहाँ बेचारा जुलूस निकालेगा यार.
करेक्ट है.
For that you need governance, ना, that amazing governance which will take care of all these things. Now for example look at Pakistan only यार.
करेक्ट.
वो उन बेचारों के अंदर ही वो कितने भी यूनिवर्सिटी में कितने लोग मार दिए, स्कूलों में कितने लोग मार दिए.
करेक्ट है.
It's so sad. अभी हमारे पठानकोट में ले लो यार.
करेक्ट है.
It's so sad, yeah. You know, these kind of social elements, anti-social elements are just everywhere. You can't do anything about it. It is. I don't know. I have no clue what can happen to get rid of all this. Of course, nothing major cannot be done without help of the state. But then that's how it is. What do you do?
So let's hope at least in the future the two countries what have been at loggerheads for the past so many years can eventually come to some kind of peace.
I hope. I am. मुझे तो अगर मुझे if I get an opportunity, I am ready to do a show for Pakistan, for Pakistani audience, for Pakistani television. It is that everything is so the visa process and the work and there and everything. It's so tedious. Then people don't want to get into it. पहले तो दुबई में वो एयर बनाते थे शोज. पता नहीं मुझे उनका उस टाइम मुझे पता नहीं क्या कंटेंट होता था उनका. But you know, there's always you can do something really good for them.
So have you checked the content?
We like their shows. I mean, we love their shows.
Yep. Zindagi mein, have you watched any shows like?
Yeah. Any show there we watched of theirs, it's unbelievable. So simple.
So मतलब eventually hope एक दिन हम दोनों countries can also at least begin with first trying to do some decent co-productions. हमारे आर्टिस्ट और उनके आर्टिस्ट भी अगर मिल जाए तो एक अच्छी entertainment का तो हम शुरुआत ही कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. I hope so. I remember the first Indian film which was released in Pakistan. Yes, which one was it?
कौन सा थी?
I don't know officially कौन सी थी, but unofficially Bullet, my film.
Okay, so nice.
Because it was a Bulgarian production. Technically, it was not an Indian film, but it was a Hindi film.
Correct.
And Indian films are not allowed there.
Right, laws के मुताबिक correct.
So at that time, Bullet was the first Hindi film which came in theaters there.
So Iqbal, in closing, any final message to your fans saying कि please wait, means ये सब tweet करने से कुछ फायदा होगा उनका?
उनका ये फायदा होगा कि जब इतनी चिल्लम चिल्ली होगी तो ऊपर वाला मुझे इंशाल्लाह कोई ऐसा शो देगा जो उनको चाहिए बस.
इंशाल्लाह.